So what is a screen time? The screen time is the time spent per day in 24 hours to visualize any screen in the form of computer, TV, mobile or tablets. It is the time which is supposed to be balanced, and it needs to be balanced just like the way the food is balanced in a child while it is given in the form of a nutrition. Now coming to the child's ill effects of the screen time, one needs to understand that the ill effects would always be in the form of more time spent than the time required for this purpose. The mandatory activities where the screen time needs to be compensated are the timings for the meal, the timings for the time to interact with the family members, the timings for sleeping, and that time is variable as per the age, and the timing to interact with the family members in the form of family time, and last but not least, the time to perform the school homework.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.